gold, cobalt veins, stories untold. Fields so vast, skies so wide, yet unity cast aside. Borders drawn to keep you blind, brothers fighting, hearts confined. The air gives music, production block home, secrets of songwriting. How long must I cry? Traitors roam while lions lie. Rise up now, hear my plea. Unite as one, set Africa free. Sun and rain at your command, enough to feed every land. Yet you quarrel, divide and fight for borders drawn in the dead of night. Wikipedia, shall the rain at your command, enough to feed every eye. Placing call, 'cause I inside all this long, day and night. If you seek my peace, unite, climb together towards the light. Mother, we hear your mournful song. We've been silent for too long. Now we rise with hearts ablaze to walk together in brighter days. How long did we wait? Now we stand through darkest night. No more tears, only pride. Africa's spirit, our eternal